Hello everyone, welcome to Sveta's menu channel. Today we're going to make a delicious fish pie. For the dough we will need eggs, 4 pieces, kefir, 250 grams, you can substitute with sour cream, flour, 170 grams, vegetable oil, 50 grams, baking powder, 15 grams, or 1.5 teaspoons, salt, 1 teaspoon, mustard, 1 teaspoon. That's everything we need for the dough. Now let's move on to the filling. For it, we will need fish, 250 grams. Tuna is a great option. I have boiled fish, but you can use canned tuna. What's important is that the total weight of the fish should be 250 grams. Boiled eggs, 3 pieces. Cooked rice, 250 grams. Onion, 50 grams. Dill, a little. I took 10 grams. Be careful with dill, as it has a strong aroma and can overpower the taste of other ingredients. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Pepper to taste. Alright, let's get started with the preparation. We'll begin with the filling. In a bowl, mix the fish and rice. Then chop the eggs and greens. Cut the eggs into cubes. Chop the green onion and dill. Add these to the rest of the ingredients. Season with salt and pepper. And mix everything thoroughly, ensuring the salt is evenly distributed. The filling is ready. Now, let's make the dough. In a bowl, pour in 4 eggs. Add salt. Mix a little. Then kefir. And mix everything. Next, add the vegetable oil and mustard. Gradually sift in the flour. This will allow the flour to be aerated, and any unwanted particles will stay out of the dough. Add the baking powder, and knead the dough until smooth and lump-free. The dough is ready, so let's assemble the pie. Grease the baking dish with butter. You can use vegetable oil, but I prefer butter for a richer taste. Pour half of the dough into the dish and spread it evenly. Then, add the filling. There's a lot of it, so the pie will be very tasty. Pour the remaining dough on top and spread it carefully. Now, let's bake the pie. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 40 to 45 minutes. Place the pie on the middle rack of the oven. As for the baking time, it depends on your oven, so keep an eye on it. It's been 40 minutes, and our pie is ready. Let it rest for 10 minutes, and then we'll cut it. After 15 minutes, I took it out of the baking dish. It has settled a little, but that's normal. Now, let's cut it and see what we've got. Looks delicious, doesn't it? This is the result. A beautiful and tasty pie. It's super quick and easy to make, but the taste is amazing. Try it out. Pies are such a versatile dish. You can make them sweet or savory, simple or elaborate, and they always turn out delicious. What's your go-to recipe for a quick and easy pie? Share your ideas with us. I hope you enjoyed this video. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching and see you next time.